Okay, these are the two center screws you're going to remove. This is an EQS 580 Mercedes, and those two center screws are going to be removed using an 8mm socket. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and install the base plate, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to take the screw, stick it through the base plate, put the spacer on top of the plate, and then the silver spacer on top of that, and that's what it should look like before it gets mounted. Okay, and that's what it'll look like before you start tightening it. Like I said, the spacer's on top of that, and then the flat washer's on top of the spacer. Using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws. Go back and forth to make sure you get each one started, and then you can go back and snug them up. Alright, and that's what it looks like with the base plate installed. Then all you do is slide the front plate into and lock into place. Alright, and there's what it looks like with the front plate on, pinned into place. And then I'll zoom back here, and then you can see that's what it looks like with the front plate on. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.